Delight of the Bite is back. Woohoo! I'm so pumped, you guys. Welcome to my new kitchen. So this is the first time, so I'm playing around with things. It may end up looking a little bit different, but hopefully you'll be able to see me and me cooking at the same time. I may have to recruit my cute cameraman to do some close-ups at some point with some of these recipes, but today I hope that I'll be able to do it all right here with you guys seeing. So I'm super pumped to just be re-engaging with you guys. It's been about a month and lots have happened. We've moved into a new house. This is the new kitchen and it's smaller than my old kitchen. Some people might have assumed, oh, I bet she's gonna move into some place with some massive kitchen. It's a really nice kitchen, but it's definitely smaller. So I'm working with it and figuring things out. But I'm really, really pumped. And you can see my cute Delight of the Bite sign from my friend Brenda Davis at Brenda Davis Design. Check her out. She's super amazing, does custom signs, handmade. Awesome. Little plug for you, Bren. Okay, so today I felt all this pressure about what I was gonna fix, and I thought, you know what? Just calm down. Don't make it such a big deal. So I just picked a random recipe, and my sister-in-law, Pat, hi Pat, had sent me that she said was absolutely out of this world. She did not even tell me, I wrote down some notes right here, but she didn't even tell me the name of it, but I'm thinking it's kind of like a white bean, like lemon white bean Tuscan tuna salad. Maybe I'll change the name in the thing. But I prepped everything ahead and I'm super excited to try this one with everybody. So I've got a bowl here ready to go. I'll move these to the side. But what it does, it starts with white beans. So these are white kidney beans. They're called Cannellini beans. So they're a little bigger than like a Great Northern. They look like a kidney bean, not a kidney in you. So those go in. A cup of thinly sliced celery goes in. This is gonna be fun. And then I have lemon juice and lemon zest. So I just have them already, I just kind of combine them so they stay moist, but that goes in. So lots of lemon and some salt and pepper. And I'll have all the measurements. If you didn't know, all my measurements I put underneath the video. There's a little area where there's a little arrow. If you're looking on your phone, that's I think on the right side, tiny little arrow that points down. If you click on that, it'll drop down the description where I have the recipe. Or if you're on a laptop, I think there's a little bit of a description, then it says show more, and then you'll see the recipe there. Okay, so lemon juice, lemon zest, salt, pepper, cannellini beans, thin sliced celery, olive oil, little extra virgin olive oil going down in there. And then dijon mustard, just a, oh, it kind of burped on me. Oops. Just about a tablespoon or so, or not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. Didn't pre-measure because I figured I'd just drop it in. But I gotta clean my hands. See how handy it is? My sink's right here. I don't even have to leave. I can be right here, still talking to you. Okay, so that's all in there. And then I'm going to just take and start mixing this up just with the rubber spatula, kind of gentle. And the tuna part of this in the recipe my sister-in-law mentioned, she said that you put the tuna on top, but I'm actually gonna mix the tuna directly in here because I like tuna. So it calls for the recipe, I think 5 ounces of tuna, but I had 1 can, which is 7 ounces, Albacore tuna. So that's just gonna go in there. And I may, because I'm sticking this in with the beans and celery, I may need to add a little more lemon juice or olive oil. The stuff that's fun with these types of little like salads that you throw together, a composed salad, where you take all the ingredients, mix them together, then it's one big composition. It's really easy to tweak the spices, really easy to tweak the lemon juice or the oil that you put in there, but this just gets it started. And I decided I love dill I love lemon and dill, and I love tuna and dill. So little dill, I'm adding that. That's not part of the original recipe, but I'd say that was maybe half a teaspoon or so. Oh my gosh, it already smells amazing. And then additionally to that, it calls for a little bit of fresh parsley, which I did chop up. So I have a little fresh parsley, and I suppose that could be for garnish if you wanted it to be. But fresh parsley, I like the flat leaf parsley. It looks really similar to cilantro. So if you aren't careful, you can buy the wrong one. I've done it a couple times. But it adds just a nice freshness, kind of this herbiness. It's not really strong, but aside from adding just some nice bright green color, this is great. So that, and then I have all prepped and ready. I had chives growing in my yard at my old house, and I had to plant a little pot of chives because I do love them. They're very easy to grow. I don't really grow things very good. It's just not my deal. But these I don't kill, which is awesome. So I have a little bundle that I snipped, and I just take some kitchen scissors and I'm just gonna cut them into little, I mean, gosh, maybe an eighth of an inch, maybe even a little bit smaller, and I just chop them right in here. And that's gonna give a nice little fresh, you know, again, the fresh herby, it's light oniony, it's not super strong. But I love chives, and those were not also part of the recipe, but you know, that's the fun thing. I get to do this, and you guys can say, ooh, I love that idea Katie gave, but I want to add blah, 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 whatever. So if you add new things, let me know how you do it. I do get some really fun ideas from some of my subscribers. So speaking of subscribing, subscribe, click that bell. It's fun to have new subscribers. So I'm getting close to 600, which is super fun. Okay, hopefully y'all can see that. It looks delicious and super yummy. So right here, I can just put this in a bowl and it'd be great. Underneath my little paper towel, I had fresh washed some living lettuce. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys. I like how this is set up. Are you guys liking this? I'm right here. You can look into the contents of my fridge, which is not tidy. Okay, this is butter lettuce, otherwise known as living lettuce. I love these. I've used these before. These are great if you're doing tacos, that kind of thing, but you can do them as little wraps. They also are a really nice garnish. Like you can just set it on the plate and then put a big scoop of this white bean Tuscan tuna salad. I think that's gonna be the name I'll stick with. A nice scoop of that, or you could just put a small amount in here and wrap it up like a taco. But I want to plug a new product I just found. I have not even tried it yet, but I'm excited to give it a go with this. Hopefully you can see that. Jicama wraps from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's, I don't know what I'd do without you. For people that don't have Trader Joe's, I'm so sorry, because I do promote their products a lot. I love them. So these are cool if you're gluten-free or really trying to watch what you're eating. So check that out. It's like a paper thin, big piece of jicama. Jicama is like a kind of a root vegetable, and it has like a kind of an ugly brown skin, but they basically taken big jicama pieces and just slice them nice and thin. And so that can be your wrap as well. I think I'm gonna like double down and put the jicama piece inside my butter lettuce. This is how I'm gonna experiment with it. And then I'm gonna do a nice scoop of the salad right in the middle, much like you would a taco, which is so fun. And then, again, I don't really know what I'm doing. This is not a professional set, but I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, so now I have this in here. Look at that. Can y'all see? Isn't that cool? It looks so good. So now I'm gonna wrap it up, and this is all in one take. I didn't practice either, so hopefully I'm not coming off too crazy. All right. I'm gonna do a test taste right here and now and give you guys, we're all gonna try it together because I haven't made this before. Okay. Let's do a happy dance. Whoa! Pat, sister-in-law, you aren't kidding. Holy criminy. That is packed with flavor. Okay, lemony, just the right amount of salt. The dill is a nice addition. And the tuna, the beans are kind of creamy. And all I did with the cannellini beans is I just opened. I left the can here so y'all can see. You can see that, but cannellini beans. I just left the beans, or opened the beans, rinsed and drained them. That was it. So this meal, obviously, I don't know how long I've been talking. If I wasn't talking, it would have been a little faster to put it all together. Probably 5 minutes. Super great to tuck this one away for the summertime on a hot summer night. You can make this, have it as a scoop on top of green leaf lettuce, add other things to a salad, do the jicama wraps, which by the way were really yummy, added a nice little crisp crunch, or do the better lettuce, the living lettuce wraps. Whoa, super, super tasty. And you can smell the lemon, the fresh herbs. You guys, this is a winner. So hopefully I'm starting us off right. I was a bit overwhelmed with what to pick, but I think that I picked a good one. Thank you very much, sister-in-law Pat. So good. So, delight of the bite. Subscribe, share, tell your friends. I am back, baby. Woo! And looking forward to a whole lot more recipes and fun things in a new kitchen and new memories and lots of bloopers and mistakes and cheesiness and whatever you have it. So if you have some recipes that you are wanting me to try for you because you're not sure about them, let me know. Hit me up in the comments section, please. I love feedback or comments or thoughts. And also give me a follow on Instagram at Delight of the Bite. And that's a great place where I post other things besides just my weekly videos. But every Wednesday, 5 p.m. or 5:30 Pacific, a new video will be coming out. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.